6 ohms, 12 ohms resistors are connected in parallel. Its effective resistance is less than 6 ohms. The slope of displacement time graph gives velocity. The laws of reflection holds good for all reflecting surfaces. This is not the unit of amplitude, meter cube. A ball is thrown vertically up with an initial velocity 20 meters per second. The maximum height that ball can reach is 20 meter, g is 10 meter per second square. 2 sodium plus 2 H2O gives rise to sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen 2 NaOH plus H2. The mass of hydrogen liberated when 46 grams of sodium is used in the above reaction is in grams, 2 grams. One of the following does not conduct electricity: alcohol. Calorific value of a fuel is the amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel. The incorrect statement regarding thermoplastic is it cannot be remolded. It cannot be remolded. Tyndall effect is scattering of light. Identify the correct set of chronic diseases. Filaria, diabetes. In a cell, the cell organelle A determines the characteristics of the organisms, B derives energy, and C traps energy from sources. Then the cell organelles A, B, and C respectively are nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast. Shredded wheat, sweet potato, beans, leafy vegetables are rich in roughages. The mineral that increases quality of smell, color, and taste of fruits is potassium. The study of the remains of ancient life forms that are preserved by natural processes is paleontology. Stomata and root hairs are formed from dermal tissue. The smooth muscles responsible for peristaltic movement in esophagus are circular muscles, longitudinal muscles. Natural selection means nature only decides which organism should survive or perish. Identify the granulocytes from the following: eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils. The gases that do not allow the loss of heat from the surface of Earth: carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbons, methane. A theory is dynamic. The first step in scientific method is identification of the problem. We generally retain 90% of what we say and do. Example of the items to be entered in unbreakable stock register: spring balances, optical benches. The principle of curriculum construction that focuses on individual laboratory experiences and field experiences is principle of activity centeredness. Father of atomic research in modern India, Homi J. Bhabha, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. A passenger in moving train tosses a coin which falls behind him. It means that the motion of the train is This question is to test the academic standard. Application to daily life. Estrogen, female, male, estrogen, that analogy type. The value attained mostly by training the students in scientific method is disciplinary value. The specific behavior that belongs to affective domain is appreciation of the interdependency of animals and plants.